Cool Kicks YouTube channel back out in Watts. Did I get here? No discounts on the back wall. Someone did tell me that in the comments. Do got a couple of these with 30% off. Maybe people would be excited about that, but no discounts today. $110. Jordan 1 High Gore-Tex right here. These are pretty interesting. Okay. Got blazers right here. So size 10.5, 115. Metcon 865. At least these are still good deals. LeBron Next Gen going for 80. That is slightly imperfect. Infinity Tour Next Percent going for $95. AJKO size 9, 110. Guess that's not too bad for no discounts. Size 10, the ice shots right here going for $58. That is slightly imperfect Air Max 90s. These have been pretty cheap lately. Mids down to $60, $55. Wow, $55. Haven't been worn or nothing. Wow, that's still a hell of a deal. Wow. Pegasus 40 right there, go for 70. These are 9.5s. Terminators 125. 119. Never seen these Vapor Max Mocs. Yeah, definitely never seen these. Holy cow. That's interesting. Jordan 2 9.5, go for 2 bills. Air Max 97, gently worn, go for $88. Size 8.5. Got one of these, 9.5, regular price. So far that Jordan 1 mid in all green's been the highlight. All right, let's go check out some of the bigger sizes. Size 11.5, ACG low case gently worn, $58. Stadium 90s, these are some Jordans right here. Gently worn, $70 for these. Jordan 38s already, look at this, $100. These are 11.5, let's see if there are any imperfections. It does say slightly imperfect. Maybe it's the glue right there, which is not that big of a deal, to be honest. There's some glue on the bottom. Not really seeing anything else wrong. Here's the other side right here. Yeah, these are legit for $100. Yeah, $100. Even without the sale, still got some deals. That's 12 penny twos going for $200. Griffey's right here going for $85, gently worn. Air Force One mid right here going for $84. Got Pegasus 40s going for $65. Air Max 95s right here going for $88. These are gently worn. Jordan 1 High Fly E's going for $85. These are size 13. $70 for these. Got quite a few size 13s. Scorpions 125. For these, it does say slightly imperfect. Size 10 right here in the big feet gang section. Do got the Fear 3s. Size 14 P6000's going for $50. Not much crazy in big feet gang. Got those size 17s and stuff like that. Or size 16s for $100, but that's pretty much about it. Size 14 go for $28 right here. 55 size 13 right here. So they did do extended size pricing on some things. $95 for those, but not much heat though. No sales off their clearance apparel as well. Man, this is rough. Got like a kind of like a bomber jacket. 115 down to 80. That is a large. Got the Super NES Jordan right here. I've been wanting these forever, but not. Ooh, $35. These are only XL though. Double XL, actually, double XLs. Dang, dude, 35. Dang, with that 30% off, I definitely would have grabbed one of those. ACG, apparently they call that a cruise boat. $55 for that. Medium tall. $45 for this medium Nike Thermofit hoodie. Cool jacket right here, $175, normally $250. Nice Jordan jacket right here. And more of these, I thought these were largest. These are all XL, dang it. Dang nabbit, yeah, they're all the green tags, which are the XLs, yep. $35. They got this one in large right here. I'll have to come back next week to see if these are on sale. I'm not a big fan of this color right here, but Damn, for under 30 bucks, I would. 45 for the shorts right here. I missed these sales, man. Dang nabbits. Fleece shorts right here. These were going for a lot. Yeah, 45 for those. 45.97. $80 for the golf shorts right here. 46 for these running shorts. Just not much to show you guys. They still got those. Still got those going for 85 bucks. Got them in plenty of sizes. Small, medium, large, extra large, double XL. Checking out grade school. I thought they'd have some deals. No, 110 for those. 95 for these. Retail on the Fear 3s as well. Air Force One mids going for 100. But Air More Up Tempos, you got some like news going for 84. So that's 50% off. I want to say we've seen that. And actually, it's not 50% off, but I want to say we've seen that cheaper at the retail shops. Got some Cortez right here. These are fire, dude. The Forrest Gumps. Going for $30. Forrest Gumps for 30 bucks. Even without 30% off, hella cheap. Alpha Menace, Shark, cleats right here. Going for $24. Jordan 36s right here, 84. Not bad. And then Air Force, Air Max 90s. Who knows the price on this because it's been ripped off. Got mids right here, 120. Got dunks right here, going for 90. These are size 7. Moving over to the women's right here, 135. Dang, the full retail, size 12. Wait, they got these lows right here, $69. 70 bucks for these. Not bad at all. See, they still got deals even without sales. These are like new as well for 70 bucks, man. These are men's 10.5 too. AJKOs, these are going for $70. These are slightly imperfect, but I've showed you guys a lot of slightly imperfect. Not too bad. That's just a little thing stuck on there. $70, not bad at all. 97s right here. 140. Jordan 6s, size 12, regular price though. Dunk highs right here. Pretty dope color right here, $130 though. 9.5 women's silver bullets right here. Gently worn, go for 90. It's $10.88, slightly imperfect. Women's 7.5 ultra flies. Not too familiar with these. Not familiar with these. 156. Dang. Infinity One Flyknit 3s, go for $96. Dang it. Super reps falling on the ground. 60 for these. Super Up Cycles, my bad. Those are the ones that you clip onto your pedals when you go biking. Cycling, right? 75 for these. Gently worn 8.5. Max 90, 65 bucks. That's an awful colorway. But 65 bucks, so slightly imperfect. Futuras right here, going for 75. Air Force Ones like new. I got a little bit of glue stains right there, but look, 70 bucks. 70 bucks still. Tons of deals, even when they don't have a sale. Got another one right here as well. All right, let's go see what's going on in the men's aisles. But right before that on feed, dude, got some Jordan 11 7210 lows. 100 bucks at that clearance store, man. I was so happy to find these. And then I am getting together with some peeps to go watch the game. So now I gotta get the jersey, little jacket, and a beanie. Oh, and I got the chain too. I got my Niner chain that I'm gonna wear in a bit. So ostentatious, but it's dope. Did I miss this earlier, by the way? Got some mids right here. Look at this. $68, gently worn. Gently worn. I'll bet you they're not even... They might have been tried on. Oh, there's a couple rocks. Never mind. Never mind. But yeah, 68 bucks. That's still a deal. Now we're in the house, and they still got the Hyperdunk lows right here from 2017. It's just insane how popular these used to be. 100 bucks. And then, of course, they do have plenty of the budget signature sneakers right here. These are the KD Tray 5 9s. Got the Immortality 2s right here. And of course, plenty of Jordan non-signature, aka Team Jordans, all along this aisle right here. Dang, 40 bucks, that's not bad. Got some budget Westbrooks right here, Take 1 4s. Gross, why people leave junk like that? And then got more and more right here. Take 1, Take 2s, Take 4s, I don't know. Do got the LeBron Next Gen, plenty of sizes. 7.5 all the way to 11.5. 7 to size 12 for these, but it's regular price. 10 to 13 for these discounted ones right here. I got some J's right here, AJKOs. Jordan 2s. Got some lows. Got some mids. The softest leather lows you'll ever see in your life. Awful color though. Another pair of lows. Got some golf lows. Infrared or white infrared 7s. Chambray 7s right here. And then We the Best 5s right here. Some Khaled's. And then they've been having all these for a cool minute. The Blazerless Sakai's. And then these are down to freaking $40. The acronyms, holy cow. When they start their sales, these are gonna be down to $32. Holy cow.